Looking to jazz up your low-carb diet with some tasty veggies? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 19 low-carb vegetables plus 2 fruits that'll keep you healthy and satisfied. Listed in alphabetical order, let's go. Number 1, asparagus. A spring favorite, asparagus is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K. Grill it up or add it to your favorite omelet for a nutrient boost. Number 2, avocado. Technically a fruit, creamy and rich, avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats and fiber. Perfect for guacamole or sliced on toast. Number 3, bell peppers. Packed with vitamins A and C, bell peppers are a crunchy, low-carb delight. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, or just munching raw. Number 4, broccoli. This green powerhouse is not only low in carbs, but also known for its potential to improve insulin resistance and protect against certain cancers. Steam it, roast it, or toss it in a salad. Number 5, Brussels sprouts. Roast them with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt for a delicious low-carb side dish that's hard to resist. Number 6, cabbage. Low in carbs and calories, cabbage is ideal for salads, slaws, or stir-fries. Plus, it's super affordable. Number 7, cauliflower. A low-carb superstar, cauliflower can be transformed into rice, pizza crust, or mashed potatoes. Endless possibilities. Number 8, celery. Crunchy and hydrating, celery is great for dips, salads, peanut butter, or just munching on its own. Number 9, cucumbers. Refreshing and hydrating, cucumbers are perfect for salads, dips, or just snacking with a bit of salt. Number 10, eggplant. Low in carbs and versatile, eggplant can be grilled, baked, or used as a meat substitute in various recipes. Number 11, garlic. This flavorful bulb is a low-carb way to add depth to any dish. Plus, it comes with numerous health benefits like boosting immunity. Just a quick reminder to like and subscribe. Your support allows us to create more informative videos. Now let's get back to it. Number 12, green beans. Crisp and fresh, green beans are low in carbs and delicious when steamed, roasted, or stir-fried. Number 13, kale. A leafy green, kale is nutrient-dense and low in carbs. Use it in salads, smoothies, or as crispy baked chips. Number 14, lettuce. Whether it's romaine, iceberg, or butterhead, lettuce is a low-carb staple for salads and wraps. Number 15, mushrooms. Incredibly low in carbs, mushrooms also bring a fantastic umami flavor to any dish. Sauté them, stuff them, or use them as a meat substitute. Number 16, onions. While slightly higher in carbs by weight, they are generally eaten in small portions. Onions add a burst of flavor to any meal, and it's a favorite aromatic for cooking. Number 17, radishes. Spicy and crisp, radishes are perfect for adding a bit of zing to your salads or as a crunchy snack. You can also roast them for a different flavor profile. Number 18, spinach. Another leafy green, spinach is super low in carbs and packed with iron and calcium. Add it to smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side dish. Number 19, Swiss chard. This colorful leafy green is packed with vitamins and can be sautéed, added to soups, or enjoyed fresh in salads. Number 20, tomatoes. Just like avocados, tomatoes are technically a fruit but often treated like a veggie. Tomatoes are low in carbs and can brighten up any dish. Number 21, zucchini. Versatile and light, zucchini can be spiralized into noodles, grilled, or baked into a tasty loaf. It's a must-have in any low-carb kitchen. And there you have it, the 21 low-carb vegetables to keep your meals healthy and exciting. Remember, incorporating these veggies into your diet not only helps manage carbs, but also boosts overall health. Thanks for tuning in. What is your favorite low-carb veggie? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know what kind of videos you want to see next here on the Know the 411 On channel. Until next time, happy eating!